Morning Tomodachi. So, ito na, ready na kami ni Freya. Pupunta na kami dun sa may Eki, which is yung meeting place para sa tour namin today. So, pupunta tayo sa 4 na lugar. So, wait nyo lang sa video na to para makita nyo 4 na magagandang lugar na pupuntahan natin today. So, naglalakad namin papunta dun sa Eki. Ayan, sobrang lamig kasi 8 AM pa lang ngayon. So, ay, tatawid na ba tayo? Wait lang, tatawid lang kami. Ang lamig guys. Sobra. So ayan, sobrang daming tao kasi may mga trabaho yung iba. So kami pupunta na kami sa Eki kasi nga may tour kami ngayon. So check na lang natin mamaya kasi daming tao. Baka marinig ako. Go na. Go na ba? Easy go. Ayo, easy go. Masen. Hai gozaimasu. Sorry. Freya. Freya rin.
Okay.
Lamig.
Dito ba?
Ito yung bus natin guys. Hai gozaimasu. Yung Oriental Hotel. Ayan, so dito lang yung Eki. Tapos ito na yung bus namin.
We are now inside the bus. Maliit lang siya guys. Maliit lang yung bus. So we booked this trip via Klook. We will just link the exact trip via description box para makita nyo. So we will depart at 8:20 AM and matatapos tong trip na to 6:10 PM. Tapos ihahatid din kami dito sa mismong station na to. So this is very convenient kasi this is just 7 minutes walk from our hotel. So napakalapit lang niya talaga. We will show you later yung mga places na pupuntahan namin, and I will also put all the information na kailangan nyo to know about this trip.
Tour. Yes. So guys, marami pa ring tour sa Klook na pwede nyo makita. Pero ito yung pinili namin ni Freya. Kasi dito yung mga lugar na gusto talaga namin puntahan. So all-in-one na talaga siya. So kaya excited kami para sa araw na to. Kasi bukas uwi na rin kami.
Yes, we're flying to Tokyo tomorrow, hindi sa Pilipinas. So yeah, kaya supposedly dapat dalawa yung tour na pipili namin, but we just decided to choose one kasi yung the rest of the days like kahapon and yung second day namin gusto namin DIY lang, lakad-lakad lang dito just to experience Fukuoka and explore yung mga streets dito. So since this is our first time, and hopefully next time makabalik ulit kami.
And tsaka guys, tsaka kung pakala namin yung 2 araw na kami lang maggagala-gala is sapat na, sobrang kulang pa rin talaga guys. So kung isipin nyo nag 2 days tour kami, wala na kaming oras para gumala around sa Fukuoka na kami lang. So ayun, siguro sapat na yung 1 day tour kung 4 days 3 nights kayo para may 2 araw kayo na mismo yung gagawa ng itinerary nyo.
Yes, and also if you want to do some shopping and exploration, it's better na yun, mamili lang kayo ng I think 1 day tour. Pero pag gusto nyo rin talaga na explore by different places, masulit nyo, then go for it. Go book 1 or 2 more trips kung ano yung trip nyo, kung ano yung manageable sa inyo. Choose whatever you want.
Yes.
Para ma-fulfill at ma-enjoy nyo yung trip nyo dito. But yun nga, overall, napakaganda ng Fukuoka. And lots of cheap ramens dito. Parang every corner may ramen. And very affordable siya.
Correct.
有附以欧一打欧一打大分的我们是Easy Go 去大分的，再确认一下。现在我们出发，请大家系好安全带 ，Please fasten your seat belt。
So guys, kakababa lang namin ng bus. So dito tayo sa Dazaifu Tenmangu Shrine. Papunta na tayo doon. Kita nyo, ang daming tao doon. We arrived early kaya mostly ng stores is still closed and you will be welcome with torii gates at the entrance. This shrine is one of Japan's most important Shinto shrines and a major Fukuoka attraction. It enshrines Sugawara Michizane, isang sikat na scholar, poet, at politician noong Heian period. Kaya millions of people visit the shrine to worship Sugawara and pray for academic success. If you want to know more about this shrine, they have a website which I will also link in the description box. Before entering the shrine, you will be welcomed with a different cute shops like this one, and the most famous Starbucks here. The architecture fits in the traditional atmosphere of the Zaifu. I personally think Japan's Starbucks architecture blends really well with its location. This one is a perfect example, as well as the one we visited in Kawagoe. Such dedication kaya talaga namang a must-visit spot dito to appreciate the beauty and enjoy their coffee. Makikita nyo rin dito yung mga ox statues. These are believed to be the sacred animals of the shrine, and they're said to bring good luck. As you can see, they are patting the ox's head in the hope of becoming wiser, which is why the spot is so shiny. We now enter the shrine and makikita nyo agad ang red bridge na ito, which is known as Chozubashi. It plays an important role in the shrine's overall atmosphere and spiritual significance. It also represents purification. Parang symbolic na cleansing na mangyayari sa iyo kapag tumawid ka, leaving all the negativity behind and entering a space where you can be more in touch with the divine. Aside from its spiritual meaning, ang red bridge na to adds so much beauty to the whole area. The contrast of the red bridge with the greenery and serene atmosphere ng shrine makes it the perfect spot for photos. We are now sa heart ng shrine which is called Honden. Ang Honden ang main sanctuary at center ng mga activities sa shrine. Dito, makikita ng mga bisita ang mga morning prayers, Shinto rituals, and the daily comings and goings of priests clad in their colorful formal robes. Aside from the shrine itself, may mga galleries and museum kung saan makikita ang mga historical artifacts at paintings. The Zaifu Tenmangu Shrine hosts contemporary art events that attract international talents, creating new works on site and blending art into the shrine's daily life. So, kung mahilig kayo sa art, this shrine offers a unique experience where spiritually meets creativity. By the way, if you are enjoying this vlog so far, please hit that subscribe button, Tomodachi. Malaking tulong ito para mag-grow ang channel natin and so you can stay updated with my future travel adventure. The shrine is most famous for its plum trees and cherry blossoms. This area are filled with trees and malapit na siyang mag-bloom with flowers. We think this is plum trees. Comment down below, is this a plum tree or sakura? But one thing's for sure, this will be beautiful once spring comes. If we ever get the chance to visit Fukuoka during springtime, we will surely visit this shrine again.
すべて係の方、後ろに下がりましょう。そのまま後ろに下がりましょう。展望係も後ろに下がってください。はい、自分の後ろのところに下がりましょう。それでは展望係の方も最初の位置に移動してください。
May kainan din dito guys. Wala pa. Ito wala pa. Kakasimula pa lang mag-set up. Ito may french fries pang bata. 500, 800 yan. Yan na, pabalik na kami sa sa bus. Kasi 10:40, 10:20 na. So maglalakad pa kami ng mga ilang minutes para lang maaga. Kasi 10:40 talaga strict na. Kailangan doon na.
Ano bibili mo? Ayan. Ayan siya.
150 yan.
Oo, sige. Dalawa. Oo. What's that?
Umagain mo cheek. Ako may bigyan ito. Wala ito ulit ha? Umega mochi. Umega
Let's try.
mochi.
Nice. Let's try.
Init ba? Ito yung red bean glaze. Medyo toasted siya sa labas. Mochi sa loob. Tapos may red bean paste pa. Tatlo.
Toasted.
150 yen each. Pero pag 5, 750. Parang ganun din. Parang wala ka naka-discount.
Top. Sweet soy sauce. Mga rice cakes. Pero iba-ibang flavor.
Sa isang traso lang pala siya. Nice one.
So, sweet soy sauce rice cake. Let's try.
Try. Go. How was it? Matigas? Parang matigas. Parang ngaya ka na.
Sasang manok siya.
Oh?
Bakit ganun?
Solid.
Sarap. Parang honey yung pinaka-coating niya.
Nice one. Try nyo rin yan guys. 280 yen lang.
Try mo.
So guys, nasa Yufuin na kami. Kabababa lang ng bus. So that's 1 hour and 30 minutes na biyahe from the last stop na meron kami. This is one of the places that me and Freya really wanted to visit. Kaya binook namin ang tour na to. Yufuin is a charming little town na surrounded by beautiful mountains, and it's a popular spot for people who want to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. Marami sa mga visitors dito ang dumadayo para mag-relax and enjoy ang natural beauty.
So, check muna natin sa loob, then let's try this later.
Hinata gusto mo.
Oh. Please, Hinata or Kagayama. Hindi ako nakatingin. Pipikit ako. Ano kaya nakuha mo? Yamaguchi? Okay lang. Wala pa tayong Yamaguchi eh. May choki na tayo.
Kagayama.
Kagayama, yay! Kagayama.
Kagayama.
Guys, look, si Kagayama. My favorite, aside kay Suga. Kasi si Kagayama is number 9, my birthday. Yay!
This place is called Yufuin Floral Village, the most popular street here in Yufuin. If you are a Ghibli fan or an anime fan in general, this is a must-visit place for you. You will see shops, cafes, at even some traditional ryokan. It's the perfect spot to stroll around, relax, at mag-enjoy ng local snacks. So guys, ito yung guidance of payment nila, no? So mga stores dito maliliit lang, tapos iba't ibang characters yung nasa loob ng isang parang store nila. Tapos kung gusto mo kumuha, may presyo naman nakalagay, tapos babayaran nyo siya dito. Ayan. May cashier dun, pinakadulo sa The Queen Soft. Ayan. So guys, ito yung cashier. Sa pinakabandang dulo niya siya makikita. Dito nyo babayaran lahat ng mga kuha.
So, shop na to guys, merong Audrey Hepburn, may Beatles, at kung ano-ano pa. Meron din mga Harry Potter, may ref magnet, may mga stuff from Europe, European countries. So, ang dami niya. So, this is the shop.
Thank you so much. May ref magnet na tayo ng Euphrates.
Squirrel guys. Hello. Kakaiba guys, so imbis na bun siya, yung pinaka tinapay niya is rice. Amazing. Nandito siya mabibili.
So now, we are looking for a place to grab our lunch. This long street ay merong napakaraming shops so you can have lots of options. Sobrang daming masasarap na pagkain, especially street food and desserts. But since malamig ang weather, we are looking to eat some hot meal.
Large, regular, large one. Soup yun. Ito with tempura set. Ayan na lang.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Cool pala to. Sarap naman yun.
Ay, gusto mo ba ako? Okay lang sa'yo? Ah, sige. Go. Ticket. Cash.
Magkano? Mag-lunch na kami guys. Ito yung order namin. Tayo. Ayan. Ito yung specialty nila dito. And in season daw to. Ito yung mga kalamansi. Or lemon na yun. So, gusto yung lasa nito kasi nakatikim na ako once nito. And I'm very excited na. So, niluluto yung udo namin. After lunch, we decided to grab this delicious looking cannoli.
Try mo.
Sarap. Bango. One last stroll before we head back sa bus namin, and we decided to stop by dito. They have a souvenir shop specifically for character Heidi. This is one of Freya's favorite childhood anime, kaya she was surprised seeing her. You can also feed the goats here with carrots for 100 yen. We are just beside the parking lot, and here you can feed and enjoy lots of koi fish. This is just fun to watch. On the other side of the Yufuin shopping street, you will find this view. Napakaganda ng Yufuin and we really had a great time here. The view, the atmosphere, and food ay sulit na sulit. We highly recommend visiting this place when you visit Fukuoka. You will surely love it here. We just got our ticket to ride the ropeway here at Kintetsu Beppu. I love the heights and watching the view kaya din namin binook ang trip na to. The Kintetsu Beppu Ropeway, na dating kilala bilang Beppu Ropeway, ay nagbukas noong 1962 at hanggang ngayon, it's one of the best ways to see Beppu from above. Isa sa loob na kami nung sasakyan namin dito sa ropeway. Pupunta tayo paakyat. Kinakabahan na siya.
Oo.
Kabahan. This ropeway will go mula sa base ng Mount Tsurumi hanggang sa summit, na may taas na 1,300 meters above sea level. It's a 10-minute ride, and along the way, you'll see some of the most stunning panoramic views. Andito na kami sa pinakatok-tok, nakakakit na kami dun sa ropeway. Hindi naman ganun kang ginaw, no? Hindi naman ganun. Sakto lang yung lamig niya dito kasi maaraw din. Pero grabe, sobrang taas. Ilang gano'n tayo kataas?
Hindi ko na alam.
So, yeah. Ito yung mga mountain, mga mountain.
Oo.
Ito gusto ko. Si Mount Nakagaki. Ito yung taas ng ropeway, guys. So dito ay pwede mag-ikot-ikot. Parang nasa 15 million feet kami. Joke lang. Sobrang taas na ito, promise. Hindi lumamig yung hangin. So tayo pupunta. Pwede ba dyan? na? May snow ba? Snow ba yan? Ay, oo nga, no? May snow dito. Wala, puro snow ba? Kaya pala ang lamig. Ayun, may mga snow po. Ano? Umabot ka ba sa ice? Umabot ka ba sa winter?
Namigas na siya, so we can't build the snow.
Tumig.
Medyo natutunaw na siya, patubig na siya.
Pero sa may bandang dulo, grabe pa rin doon sa likod mo. Ayan na. Diba? Dami pa rin doon. Sa bundok kasi tayo guys, sa pinakataas talaga. Kaya may mga yuki pa. Ano ang temperature niya dito? 1, 2? Around 2? Pero kalamig pero may yelo. May mga ice sa paligid. Oo, may mga mountaineers nga dito eh. Tara, huwag na tayo bumalik. Joke lang. Climbers only, huy. Climbers only yan.
Now, we are going back and will head to our last destination. We are now here at Boiling Hell Hot Springs, o mas kilala sa tawag na Jigoku Meguri. This is still located dito sa Beppu, Oita. Ang Jigoku Meguri o Hell Tour ay isang collection ng 7 hot springs na matatagpuan sa Beppu. Hindi ito para maligo, kundi para makita ang mga kakaibang natural na phenomena. These hot springs are known for their extreme heat and intense colors.
カメラ構えてください。今からね、煙を使った実験しますからね。で、現在表演開始。で、じゃあ行きますよ。で、ニーハオで大家好。現在表演開始。で、今からですね、この蚊取り線香の煙を使ってちょっとした実験を行います。では、2、3、4、1、2、3、4と出しますよ。いいですか。ここ1番目に入れてみてくださいね。A、B、数字をキー。OK。じゃあ、会員者いきますよ。ここ見てください。見ました皆様。ねえ、リハイ。ねえ、ナイス。はい、もう一度いきます。おー。で、OK。じゃあ、ナーホジ。で、ナーホジ。じゃあ、ナイターの火で出るのかちょっと試してみましょう。 没有，然后没有，ライターの火はね反応しないですよ。注意、息を吹きます。没有、息も出ません。この煙を飛ばすことで反応します。いえ。烟看到水蒸气，之后可以看到白烟，看到白烟。はい、いいですか、いきますよ。で、when do、200で、200。ここ100度の温泉をやってます。100度、かまど地獄の中で一番温度高いんですよ。いいですか、いきますよ。はい、水蒸気、じゃあ、感謝、いきます。メニメニ。オッケーだ、ザライツ。ハムドじゃないよ、ザライツ。はい、もう一度。Very hard. Amazing. Okay. で、next stage は、ファイナルステージは、来ない。ファイナルステージ、来ない。
Why?
サービス。わ。Okay, じゃあ、ザライツ。Okay, じゃあ、one more time. オッケー。で、じゃあ、ファイナルステージは、来ない。はい、どうぞ、こちらです。
Wow. Red. Kaya nga.
シンガポールだけど英語です。
ああ、なるほど。わかんない。ちょっとできない。ごめんなさい。皆様こちらですよ。さあ、この6丁目ね、深さ2メーターほどございまして、温度が95度ございます。なぜ赤いかというと、池の底にある赤粘土と温泉が溶け合ってこういう色になってます。OK、シェンドゥ、2米。ウェンドゥ、10度。で、10度。みんな水蒸气、じゃあね、感謝。あ、just a
Kumuha
moment.
ka ng picture ah. Kumuha ka ng picture. Oh, pinutin mo yung video.
Very high. Amazing. ね、見ました皆様。これで皆さん。Okay, one more time. はい、please come here. One more. はい、ザライツ。
Wow.
Okay, wow. Oh, 厉害。
Yay!
谢谢。Okay, 大家夏です。谢谢。じゃあ皆さんどうもありがとうございました。Thank you so much.
Thank you. Amazing. So each time na nagbo-blow siya dun sa boiling hot water, puproduce siya ng smoke. Very entertaining yung nag-a-assist na staff dito. So iyon.
You can buy the hot and the essence of the hot spring.
Ah, okay. So dito daw yung mga parang essence ng hot spring na mga skincare product kung gusto niyo. Ah, ito na guys yung onsen tamago.
So guys, kasama to sa tour, libre to egg tsaka may tubig pa kayo. Kaya namin, masarap daw to sa soy sauce, sabi ni tour guide namin. So, try natin. How was it?
It's very delicious. Soy sauce. And can you eat?
Use pepper.
Use pepper soy sauce.
Delicious.
Here is Freya and our tour guide trying to open the ramune. Hindi pwedeng mawala ang refreshing drinks like ramune. For those who don't know, ramune is a popular Japanese soda that comes in a unique glass bottle sealed with a marble. Ang cool ng packaging, di ba? It's the perfect drink to cool down after all the sightseeing. You can purchase this drink sa mga grocery stores or souvenir shops.
Parang Sprite na matamis.
Now that is a fun way to end this trip. We are now heading back to Hakata, which is an 1.5 hour ride.
So, Tomodachi, after a very tiring day, dumiretso na kagad kami sa hotel ni Freya. Hindi na kami nag-decide kumain sa labas kasi unang-una, sobrang lamig. Pangalawa, pagod na rin kami. So, ang ginawa na lang namin is, bumili na lang kami ng pagkain sa Konbini or sa convenience store sa Family Mart. So, ito yung mga pinamili namin. Napakita ko sa inyo. Unang-una, syempre si Freya. Gusto i-try ni Freya to kasi sinuggest to nung tour guide namin, Shinshin. Ayan, Shinshin. S-H-I-N, Shinshin. May store talagang ganito dito sa Fukuoka. Kaso, yun na namin pinuntahan kasi medyo malayo ng konti dun sa may Eki pa. So, ito siya. Meron pala siya sa Family Mart.
So, para rin siyang Ichiran ramen na may sarili rin silang instant ramen.
Instant ramen. Tapos next is, ito. Try din ni Freya. Para siyang salad, tapos isasaw-saw mo lang siya dun sa sauce. Dip mo lang siya dun. So, ayan, may cucumber ba to, carrots, lettuce, radish, ayan. So, try natin to. Kailangan din natin lagi magulay at salad. Next is, ito, dessert ni Freya. Pudding, yan,
Ang pick me up lang, medyo kasi, nahilo tayo.
Bumili rin si Freya na ito, double cream puff. So, sobrang sarap na ito.
Yan, ito favorite ko kasi hindi ako mahilig sa matamis. So, ito sakto lang siya na yung tamis niya from the cream. So, highly recommended. Tapos, nakuha ko pa siya ng may discount pa.
Discount ba yan?
Oo.
Ayun. So, kung alam niyo yung dating vlog ko rin na Beard Papa, ito yon cream puff yun na tinapay na meron siyang cream sa loob.
So, malamig yung loob niyan, guys, yung cream niya. Nasa siya, para refrigerated section siya kung gusto niyo siyang bilhin.
Ayun. Sarap to guys. Recommended. Next is, of course, sa akin naman, onigiri kasi na-miss ko lang yung onigiri. Tuna mayo na onigiri. Of course, syempre, hindi lang pwede puro kanin at may ulam tayo. Ano pa ba? Tara! Dalawang favorite ko, Famichiki, yung original. And itatry natin ngayon yung Famichiki na cheese kasi bago to. Kaka-release lang nito at ina-advertise na to sa TV, online. So, itatry natin siya. And yun, drinks. Bumili ako Coke Zero. Hindi ko man maubos siguro to. Nandito lang. So, that's it sa mga pinamili namin ni Frey at kakainin namin ngayon dinner. And bago kami kumain, pag galing namin ng convenience store, nag-onsen muna kami. Kaya ganito yung suot ko. Kung nakita si Frey, ganda suot ni Freya. So, nag-relax muna kami, naligo muna kami and everything. Tapos, kain. Tapos mamaya pahinga na. Kasi bukas, maaga kami mag-check out. 10 a.m. ang check out dito sa APA. And ang flight namin from Fukuoka to Tokyo is tomorrow afternoon ng 3. So, kailangan siguro mga 12 nandun na kami sa airport. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching my vlog. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel para updated at mapanood nyo ang future travel vlogs ko dito sa Japan. Especially dito sa Fukuoka. Mata ne!